What's good, my people? So today we're going to talk about Nasdaq, and we're going to focus on the strategy that I usually use on while taking these trades, and I'll be focusing on the New York session, since the New York session had the most of liquidity at Nasdaq, and we'll be looking at Euro USD chart and gold chart too. So let us dive in 1 hour time frame. We'll start to analyze our market at the New York session time at around 9:30. So the New York session started here. That's why I usually tell you guys, New York session is the ultimate time zone for trading, since most of the countries are usually up by then. New York session is kind of the last one before the day ends. So as you can see here, the New York session started here, and dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, you'll notice there's a nice rally up after the market open. This is the true day open of the market here. Let me highlight here, true day open. The market opened at around here, rallied up, taking out highs, took out this high. Let's first come to the 1 minute time frame. Took out this high, but failed to take out this high, and it just went here and had a market structure shift here. Dropping down the 15 minutes time frame, you'll notice these order blocks were violated, and these are high and a higher high. This high and a higher high, when they are usually violated to the lower side here, consequently this order block 2 was violated to the lower side here. You'll notice that the market rallied up a bit before the New York session opened, and you'll notice that when the New York session came, the market just dumped down. Didn't give guys any opportunity to enter, since when 9:30 clocked in, the market just started rallying down and down. And if you were here and you had taken a nice sell position, that's when you could be able to enter. But for me, I could have been able to enter from this zone here, since I will tend to associate it with the chasing of the market mostly. I want to see my setup form first before getting into a trade. So with me, I looked for a very nice setup like this one. I traded on the PM session. This setup, there was a market structure shift where this order block was taken out. Then the market rallied down, taking out this low. This is the liquidity sweep, total soup that ICT usually talks about. After this move here, there was a nice rally to the upside, creating a nice market structure shift here. The market structure shift confirmed to me that the market was going to go lower, up. So when this retracement came, was observing the market at this order block here, and nice market structure shift to the upper side here, market structure shift, and retracement of the market to this fair value gap here. I used the 15 minutes time frame. We'll drop down to the 1 minute time frame and see how the market was visible there. A nice retracement here, taking your long position here, and your stop loss. My stop loss, I placed it here below this order block. My TP, I had placed it here on the bodies of the candle. I usually put my TPs on the bodies, not on the highs mostly. Most of the trades, as you can see, it just reached on the tip, but if I could have placed it on the highs, my position wouldn't have been filled by then. And as you can see, after that tip was formed, that body was hacked there. There was a dump of the market, taking out the lows down here, consequently to this order block here, and the next day came, the market rallied up, and as you can see, my trade was complete by this time here. With that, let us jump to the 1 minute time frame and look how the market seemed. I usually trade on a 1 minute time frame since it's usually fast and you can get a lot of trades there. And as you can see here, I was observing this is the order block that was the fair value gap that was present, that I was looking at the 15-minute time frame, and you'll notice this is the order block. This is the order block that was present in the 15-minute time frame, but we can minimize it. I was looking at these lows here to see if they will be affected, but as you can see, the market didn't reach the low, and you will notice that there was a nice market structure shift here, and the market started rallying up with speed. This is usually what I love to see, with speed taking out the high that I had highlighted there. And with that, let us meet on the next video. Goodbye guys.